What to look for in quality HVAC services? It is not always easy for homeowners to choose a quality heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC, service. Some businesses are hard to contact or work exclusively through third-party contractors. There are other services that might only specialize in selling one particular type of system that cannot be customized to fit the needs of a homeowner. There are a few attributes to look for when choosing a reliable HVAC service. Trained service technicians. A quality HVAC service will employ a trained staff of maintenance, installation and repair technicians that can handle a variety of situations. Properly trained staff means that installations and repairs can be performed right the first time, without damage to a home and with a minimum amount of inconvenience. This can also result in a longer-lasting HVAC system since correctly installed units will not experience wear and damage from an improper installation. Experienced technicians will also have knowledge of the local codes and regulations that need to be followed in order to pass inspections later. Accurate assessments. One of the hallmarks of reliable HVAC services is the initial care that is taken when inspecting an installed unit or determining which system is the best for a home. An accurate assessment of a building that considers installed insulation, heat loss and measurements of the air temperature in the house can save homeowners money by ensuring that the correct sized unit is installed. Assessments of existing systems that might need to be repaired are also important because a quality service will offer the homeowner a variety of options if repairs seem to be impractical or impossible. Variety of equipment. An experienced HVAC service will have a number of different equipment solutions available. This is important, because some homes might only need small air conditioning units while others could require a much larger system that can cool the whole house quickly. A varied selection of available equipment means that technicians who assess the needs of a house can make the most appropriate suggestions that fit the lifestyle of the homeowner as well as the heating and cooling needs of the building. Maintenance programs. Quality HVAC companies are established businesses that take great pride in the work that has been performed. Maintenance programs are one way that a business can show this dedication. These programs provide homeowners and businesses the opportunity to have regular cleanings, repairs and inspections of installed HVAC systems each year. This can extend the life of the unit and can ensure that any minor adjustments are made so that the system works as efficiently as possible. Author is a freelance writer. For more information on HVAC services, please visit http://www.unitedairtemp.com/article source, https://ezinarticles.com/expert/Jeremy_P_Stanford/428614